In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can block certain countries from seeing your Instagram posts. Blocking certain countries from viewing your Instagram posts can be crucial for targeting your desired audience, complying with legal regulations, and strategically managing your brand image. By restricting access to your content in specific regions, you can ensure that your posts are seen by the right people, safeguard your personal information, avoid legal complications, prevent cultural misunderstandings, and align your brand message with the preferences and values of your target audience. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these 3 lines and head into your settings and activity. Navigate to the option of business tools and controls. On this page, head into this option of minimum age. On the by country option, tap on add and select any country you don't want to view your photos, reels, and stories. Select the minimum age that shouldn't view your posts. Instagram is mostly used by people below the age of 25, so put in 25 years. Whenever you post, the Instagram algorithm won't push your posts to accounts below the age of 25 in that selected country. That's how easy it is to block people in certain countries from viewing your Instagram posts. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.